This matcha can cost you up to rupees 30,000 and I'm not at all kidding. The matcha is straight from Japan and 1 kg costs around rupees 30,000. Well, today I'm taking you to a newly opened bungalow turned into a cafe, started by two passionate friends who did their professional barista course from London, and now they've come to Bengaluru to start this amazing cafe called Sancho's, and you guys have to check this one out. First thing first is the place. It's so well done that it feels like way more than a cafe. This is a two-story house plus a terrace, and the most impressive part is that they did not hire an architect. They did everything by themselves. I'm so impressed by the R&D they put in. Even though it's located in a quiet residential area, they've managed to fit everything in so nicely. They have an open kitchen setup, a dedicated bookshelf where you can sit and read. They even have indoor and outdoor seating option, but get this, they actually have a workplace and a dedicated conference room. Can you believe that? A conference room in a cafe, it's such a lovely concept. Plus, the rooftop is a dedicated smoking zone. For the food, we tried their super unique pumpkin mac and cheese. This isn't your classic version. It's much more creamier, flavorful than what you usually see across Bangalore. Then we also tried the pesto spaghetti. I wasn't expecting much from a coffee shop, but this was an Italian level style spaghetti, followed by this absolute banger, the avocado toast. The flavors were so nice that I couldn't stop myself from eating. This was really, really good. The pizza could have been a bit better, but this is one thing I think they could work a bit upon. But the avocado toast, I mean, I'm in love with that. For the beverages, we had their bestseller, the strawberry matcha, and this costed around rupees 400. And 1 kg of the matcha powder that they use is ceremonial grade, and that costs around rupees 30,000. And if you love specialty coffee, then you cannot miss the orange cold brew. This cold brew is brewed for like 72 hours. The flavor of this brew is so nice and you cannot go wrong with that. Overall, my experience was so nice. I'm rating this a solid 9 out of 10. I love this house turned a cafe vibes with such lovely corners and amazing hosts. So if you're anywhere near New Bell Road, you definitely need to check this place out. Thanks for watching and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and see you in the next one. Bye bye.